back. As you can see, we're in a new scenery. So in today's video, I've been telling my mom, and I'm like, look, there's one thing that I feel like every girl, woman, teen, anybody needs, and that is an emergency / period kit. Because I keep one, not for emergencies, I just keep one. I keep one in my work bag, I keep one in my car, and I keep one in my school bag because I'm in school right now. So but I just feel like that's something every girl needs. And I didn't start doing this up until recently when I started working at my current job. I didn't start doing that because I never really thought of it as keeping a entire kit. I just thought, let me grab some pads and put it in my bag, let me grab the tampons, put it in my bag. And it was kind of, I've always felt embarrassed about pulling one out when I need one to go to the bathroom, and it's nothing to be embarrassed about. It's absolutely nothing to be embarrassed about. It's part of being a female, being a woman. Is your period. So I just thought I would come and make a kit for you guys, and not only make a kit but make it affordable, because one thing about me, affordable is my middle name. I do not like spending money. Everything I do affordably. So I'm gonna bring you guys an affordable kit, or show you guys what I would do or what I would include in my kit. I have one in my car right now, which is this one right here. This is the one I'll probably be referencing when I say the one in my car, because I'm gonna just go ahead and just show you guys what I have in this one, but I'm gonna create another one with more things in it than this, I think. So in this one, I have, these are like maxi pads, and then I just have regular pads. Like, I've restocked this one, so I have like regular pads out of my at home collection of pads. And then I have flushable cleansing wipes, 2 of those in there. This is a smaller kit. And I have 1 tampon because I don't have a period that much, but excuse me, when I do, I like to have something on hand. And then I also have two bottles of perineal wash, no rinse freshening wash is what they call it on the bottle. But I did make this kit at first when I first got my car. When I first got it, I made this kit, and the only reason I made it is because I found these period kits in Dollar Tree, and it's by this brand right here. It's by this Just For Her brand. They have kits in Dollar Tree. Came with 2 maxi pads, 2 regular pads, 1 feminine wipe, and then 1 bottle of one of the flushable feminine wipes, and then 1 bottle of the freshening spray. And I was like, that's cool. Usually when you see a period kit, they don't come with the freshening spray. Or when you see people making period kits, like on YouTube or whatever, they don't put perineal wash. I call it perineal wash because I'm a CNA, and that's basically what it is. You can go to, like, on Amazon, or medical supplies, they're called perineal wash. This is just, they just threw a prettier name on it, freshening spray. It's perineal wash. But I went to Dollar Tree again the other day, and I got a bunch of stuff to make this kit. So first things first, you want to get a bag to keep all your stuff in. Now, Dollar Tree, when I went, or at least the Dollar Tree I went to, didn't have no cases. Like, they didn't, like, I got this one at Dollar Tree, they didn't have any like bags like this for some reason. I don't know why, don't ask me. So I just went to Walmart and was gonna get one, and I was like, it's not really affordable if I'm spending $10 on a bag. I just so happened to go down the clearance aisle and found a bag for $1.50 on clearance. It was originally $5, but I was like, well, we'll just use that, because I mean, keeping it affordable, $1.50. So yeah, it's just a little basic little black makeup bag. You use whatever bag you want. If you want to get fancy and make it pretty, then do that. If not, don't. Okay, so we got our bag empty. Put that right there. All right, first things first is I got some tampons from there. Now, these are the new brand. They're supposed to be compared to Tampax Pearl. They're the Orchard Worry-Free Protection regular tampon. I just got regular. If you know you have a heavy flow, get the heavy ones. They have heavy flow too. I got regular because I don't really have a heavy flow when I have my period, so I just got regular. If you want to even step it up, you can get regular and heavy. You know, they have a little R on them. This is a pretty big bag, so I'm just gonna put all of these in here because it's only like 6. So I'm just gonna put all of these in here. The next thing I got is some pads. These are supposed to be compared to the Honey Pot pads. I don't like the fact that they have lavender in them because I don't too much care for lavender. It gives me a headache, but it's okay. This does have no dyes, no chlorines, and no added fragrances, but it's lavender infused. Anyway, it's 100% cotton. I got the regular flow. They do have super pads and they do have overnights. And they do have the liners. They have all of them at Dollar Tree. I just got the regular ones. They smell straight up. I mean, like, that's the first thing that hits you is the goddamn lavender. I do like that they come in like a resealable, like the package is like resealable. That's cute. I also like to put panty liners in there just in case you're spotting. And you know, I personally like to use these when I'm spotting, like when I'm coming down off my period. I got the Always thin. I get these, but I get the extra long ones because, well, you know, I would consider you get flushable wipes. If you could find some that are like individually packed, use that. If you can't find none that's individually packed, do like I did and just get you a Ziploc bag and put some flushable wipes in the Ziploc bag. Just make sure to write flushable wipes so you know they're the flushable wipes. I'm gonna know because I don't have no other flushable wipes in here. Another thing I did get that you don't have to put in, but I like to put in because I just like the smell of them, are these Modessa Basics Fresh and Clean Feminine Wipes. You can always take these out the pack and put them in a Ziploc bag like we did the flushable wipes, or you can leave them in the pack because if I ever do use this kit, I'll be bringing the whole kit with me, like to the bathroom or whatever. I'm gonna leave them in the pack, but these smell so good. I got the Fresh and Clean scent. They also have a lavender and they also have a fragrance-free one. I like the Fresh and Clean one. These smell so freaking good and they work so good. And for $1.25, you get 32 wipes. That is extremely affordable. They're very damp as well. That's another reason why I like. If the lighting is changing, the sun is kind of like dimming down. It's supposed to rain over here, so if I'm a little dark, I'm sorry. Yeah, they're very damp, which is another reason why I like them, because then I feel like I'm getting clean. So even if you don't have the peri-wash, these are good enough because they're super duper damp and super, anyway, they're super wet. Like they're leaking from the corner right here. Y'all can't see it, but they're leaking from the corner. Anyway, so they're super moist, so you're gonna get clean. Even if you have to use 3 or 4 of these, you know, it's fine. It's only $1.25. So, but I would stick a pair of underwear in there just in case you have, you know, accident where it bleeds or you end up, you know, starting your period not knowing. Bring you some underwear. Put a pair of underwear that you don't care about in there. Granny panties. Put some granny panties in there because you don't need to be wearing your pretty panties on your period anyway. But also bring just some Ziploc bags and put them in there just for accident purposes. Like if you mess up your dirty ones, put them in a Ziploc bag. Or if you don't want to like you want to throw your pads and stuff away, but you want to be more discreet about it, Ziploc bags. So always bring that, and a pair of panties, clean panties that you don't care about. I also like to bring something to like use as kind of like an air freshener or a body spray or whatever, because I always spray the room or spray the bathroom or whatever, and I was just like, I'll just pick up some cheap little travel size spray. So they had these Yardley fine fragrance body mists, and I got the English Rose one. They also had a lavender. Y'all know, like I just said, I don't do too much lavender. So it's like, this is a pretty scent. Like you could just, you know, spray down if you feel like you're kind of smelling a little icky, or use it as a bathroom spray itself, which, because it's $1.25, I probably use it for either or. Personally, oh, that smells good. So I have that as well. Now, one thing I will say is I do recommend getting a perineal wash. You can get it on Amazon. I ordered some on Amazon. It just ain't got here yet. I think it's like a 3 bottle for like $15, which is not bad because they're supposed to be like bigger size bottles. You could always do that and then transfer it into like your travel size, like a travel size spray bottle, and then like have your Peony wash in there, because you want it in a spray bottle. That way you can just spray down there and clean up and go. You want it in a spray bottle so you can spray it down there and get the job done. So you got your body spray and you got your Peony wash. That's everything really. And I still have room. Like I could, hold on. I still have plenty of darn room in this bag. So if you get a more roomy bag, you can put more stuff in there. I forgot 2 things. The last 2 things I want to put in here is some hand sanitizer and some Lysol. Because you can use Lysol to like spray the air. And you always want to like disinfect. So I just have this like to-go size Lysol. And then I have this antibacterial hand soap from Bath & Body Works in the scent Fiji White Sands. So that's it for our little kit. I think everything, most of the stuff I got was from Dollar Tree, and if I didn't, I already had it. So you can always go to Dollar Tree and get, I think they do have like spray hand sanitizers. They have spray hand sanitizers. They have, they don't have no travel size Lysol, I'm sorry. But you don't have to include that. I just choose to include it. And then they like the Peony wash and stuff I showed you guys. So that's it for that. I think I spent like maybe $10-20, not even that probably, on this entire kit. If you enjoyed the video, or if you got something out of this video, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload. I will see you guys next time. Bye.